Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start in Gmail now. First, confirm you're using the account that holds the archived messages and that sync is enabled. Once done, focus on the search bar at the top. You will use search operators to surface archived mail quickly. Make sure you're on All Mail View if available. This reveals archived messages that are out of the inbox. Now type your search terms or operators to locate the specific archived threads you want to restore. Once you have the search field ready, use precise operators. In all and in, inbox to filter archived items, plus from or subject to narrow results. If you know a time frame, add before or after, or newer than to reduce clutter. After results appear, select messages with the checkboxes or open a thread to act on it. Make sure you review the message first. Restoring many threads at once is efficient, but confirm you aren't moving unwanted mail back into inbox. To restore, select the message, S and click Move to Inbox or Remove Archive label. On mobile, tap the menu and choose Move to Inbox. Once done, confirm items appear in your inbox or search in Inbox to verify. If a message doesn't reappear, make sure no filters auto-archive it, check trash or spam, and confirm account sync settings. If still missing, repeat the search in All and inspect labels. In rare cases, a delayed sync can take a few minutes, so wait and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.